Hey everybody, today I'm doing an unboxing video. This is for a brand new headset. This is a wireless headset. It's the Logitech G935. I bought it on Amazon for $179 Canadian. I'm not sure what it is American. And it's a wireless headset. I'm basically just replacing my wired headset, and my other headset is Logitech also, so I'm hoping that it'll be the same comfort and fit. And I'm just going to unbox it and see what's in it. So this is called the G935. It's also called the Wireless 7.1 LIGHTSYNC Gaming Headset. And it's for PC, PS4, or Xbox. Okay, so the features that this one comes with, it's got the RGB lights, where you can customize the coloring. And the microphone, it says that this is a flip to mute. So I guess when you flip it away from the ear or the mouth, it mutes automatically. I don't know, we'll test that. And then the comfort for the ears, which we'll test too. So this also has volume control on the ear, and this is a mute button, and these three buttons are customizable. So that'd be interesting to see what you can do with those. And also, like I said, these are RGB lights. And then as for the specs, it does have 50mm drivers. It has 15-meter indoor range, 20-meter outdoor range. And with no lights, the battery lasts 12 hours. With lights, the battery should last about 8 hours. And that's all stuff that needs to be tested out. So let's open it up here. Okay, so I'd open it up upside down. Awesome. Alright. So here are the headset. Here's the headset. There it is. Nice black headset. Almost feels like pleather cushioning. Same here, there's some cushioning under here, and these should expand and also twist, but not pull. So but this will rotate, so that's good. So some articulating points to help with comfort. And then here you see the customizable buttons. So this one here is mute. This is the volume control. Oh, and this is just power. And then these three buttons are customizable. What I can do with them, I'm not 100% sure, but we'll find out. Okay, that's it for the headset. Where's the mic go? Probably down in here. There's a mic, there's a USB charging port. Nothing on this side. And then there's this, which we don't pull until we're ready to charge it up. What else has we got? Okay. So that's just a 3.5mm cord for if you want to use it wired. I guess if the batteries are dead or dying or something like that. Here's the USB charging cable. It's USB-C, so it should charge pretty fast. Let me just twist this. And well, it looks like it's about a 6-foot cable. Yeah, 6-foot cable, USB-C. This one for the wireless This is probably about 5 feet. Without measuring, just going by looks, I would say 5 feet. Anything else? There should be a microphone in here somewhere. Where is it? Where's the microphone? Oh, there it is. Okay. So, I thought the microphone would come as a separate piece, but no, this is it. Okay. And then this comes out. There we go. Now to mute it, I guess, I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up in the manual. It says flip to mute, so I'm not sure. Maybe flip it up to mute? I don't know. We'll have to see. But that's nice that you can just put that down and your headset becomes more compact. And here's the manual, which doesn't say anything. It's not even a manual. It's just a little pamphlet. And it just tells you to go to the website and download the software and then go from there. Alright, so that's what I'll do. I'll go to the website, I'll download the newest software for this headset. This is all it came with. There's nothing else in here. There's just this one piece of paper, which is just your usual warnings. But nothing about like setting it up or using it or anything like that. So for that, you need to go to the website. Oh, here's a little bit of a guide. It's just one page. And that's it. Okay, so the USB connector, according to this, is where? Okay, I think it's, there we go. So you just pull this off. And then there's the USB here. Which, I didn't pull this off right. Hold on. That's kind of awkward. Okay, I got it off. It's good. But it is kind of awkward the way it is. But, and then there you go. There's your USB stick hidden in your microphone ear. And then you just take that out. Plug that in. And then put it back for storage. Oh, it's magnet. Gotta be careful. Don't go close to anything metal because the magnet's pretty powerful. The magnet here, these two. So that's what'll keep it on when I do this. And that's it. It's just magnetized. Alright, interesting. What's in here? Just the battery. Okay. Replaceable battery if you actually run out. That's it. Just magnets. They stick together. They go off and on pretty easy now that I know how it works. And there you go. So basically, other than the charging cord, everything you need is right here. Without having to have extra stuff, without them protruding and possibly getting broken. You've got a nice hidden mic. And you've got your USB always with you. Alright, so I'm going to plug this into the computer, download the software, and start playing around with the settings. So I have been using this headset for a little bit. I used it for about 6 hours and just wanted to note a couple of things. One, with these buttons on the back, they are pretty handy, but I do actually accidentally hit the mute button when I put it on and off, so that's something to keep in mind. As far as the mic goes, you know when it's muted. If you just turn it up, you can see where it turned red there, but also it turns red here. So you can see that it's muted, and then now it's not muted, and you also hear a beep in the headphones to let you know. So it does a good job of letting you know whether it's muted or not. Also, this connection in the bottom for a 3.5 millimeter, it can also be used for a second source. So you can use the wireless for one source and use the cable for a second source. So if you're making a podcast or streaming, you can monitor your output. And also on the back here is some examples of the RGB settings. So that one's more of a fade, different colors. Just some red. And then the custom blue. And that's it. And like I said, I have been streaming with these, so I have been testing them out a bit, and I know how comfortable they are. Pretty comfortable, and I'll be streaming some more. And the next audio you hear will be from me using these. Okay, so now this is the sound coming from the microphone on the headset, and it's, you can judge for yourself, but to me it sounds pretty good from what I've heard of listening back on my recordings. So you can see here that it's set for 57%. I have been streaming for about 7 hours, so that makes up for that time. And you can see I could probably get about 20 hours out of it. From all the streaming I've done so far, it's been looking pretty good as far as battery life. And I do have the RGB lights going, so that's good. If you click on it, you have all kinds of settings here. You got the volume for the headset, volume for the mic, side tone, noise removal if you want to set that option. You can enable the enhanced equalizer, so you can adjust all your equalizer settings, although I'm not very familiar, so I just use the presets here. And there's a few. There's also some presets for games. There's a few games listed here that I have installed that I can use presets for. For surround sound, you can enable the surround sound, and you get all these different options for different volume levels on your headset, which is quite a bit actually, but we'll have to see if that makes a difference. I'm actually deaf in my right ear, so I don't know how much of a difference these will make, but other than that, it's nice having all those options. As far as the keys go, so there's these 3 keys or buttons that are customizable, and you can assign them to all these different commands that your headset can do. And then you can have hotkeys to do those commands also if you want, or have other keys. There's actions, so you can do things like set up different commands in OBS or Discord. So while you're streaming, you can do those actions through your headset if you want. You can create custom macros, and you can also install applications and create custom macros for those. As far as the lights go, there's quite a lot of options too. The primary is this little string of lights, and then the logo is separate, so you can change the different colors. Fixed just means like this, where it just stays on all the time. Breathing means it kind of pulses like this one does. You can also cycle, so it'll just cycle through the different colors. Then I'll have to see. You can even just change the rate at which it cycles, the brightness, all that stuff, customizable. And I'll have to see what happens when you actually use the in-game syncs. But other than that, the Logitech G935 is really good. It's very comfortable. I've worn it for hours without any issues, and I stuck with Logitech because my previous headset was also really good and comfortable. I think the mic is working great. So it's a great headset. It's on sale. It's a good price. It's wireless. The range is good. I've taken it downstairs and walked around with it and got a good range. It did stutter a little bit when I was really far away, but other than that, it's been great. This is just an unboxing video. It's not a full review. Just wanted to show people what it's like. Whether they want to buy it or not, it's up to them. I like it. I bought it. And I would say buy it too if you're looking for a good gaming headset. And that's the Logitech G935. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, or all the above. Thank you, and have a nice night.